Very, very careful. Deepavali is just nearing. You must be very, very careful. Don't be going on bursting crackers and getting into trouble. Let the elderly person do anything. You just stand and watch. Okay? Good morning to all. All must be attentive in class. Akshara, turn off your mic. No one should turn on your mic. You have to see what we are going to do now, right now. We'll just... You got this. Okay, now. Yeah. Now see this. Good morning, children. We have some reading session today. First, I will just try to read. Then I will ask you to read it. Then I'll show you some pictures. And one by one, I'll be conducting like oral test speaking. Understood, children? Speaking about something. Now, we are just starting one by one, like first one, the next one, the dog. The dog ran. Look at each line. The dog ran. The dog ran away. The dog ran away with. The dog ran away with the dog ran away with the ball. Complete sentence. Now, one by one, I will make you read. You have to read the dog ran, each line separately. Now, I'll just give you one example. Let Effie read this. Then all will know what you have to do. Effie, please read this as it is written from the first line. Stop in between. Then you have to complete the complete sentence at the end. Okay, Effie, start. Oh my.
Okay, ma'am.
I think I did 1 minute. 1 minute, children. I think I didn't go. Oh, yeah, I go. Yes, I went recording. Sorry. Effie, just read the first one.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
I can.
No. Sorry, not that one. 1 minute. 1 minute, Effie. That second one came off. 1 minute. Previous one. Okay, read this. Others, please listen. The
dog ran. The dog ran away. The dog ran away with. The dog ran away with the dog ran away with the ball.
Very good. This is the way you have to read. Okay, I will ask 3 or 5 children this and we'll go to the next. You got such a lot to do now. Okay, nothing to write, please. Children, 1 minute. I want to see you all. Please listen. Nothing to do. You have to listen and your Chaya phone. You have to show these people what this. Children, listen. Don't be disturbed. Now listen. Now we are going to start. The dog. Okay, next child is Adonia. Please read, Adonia. Please read. Adonia, are you there, Adonia? Please. Please read this. How Effie read same way. Hurry up.
The dog ran. The dog ran away. The dog ran away with. The dog ran away with
the dog ran away with the last one.
The dog ran away with the ball.
Very good. Very good, Adonia. Now, next one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next child, Akshara, read fast.
Ma'am, Akshara, ma'am.
Yeah.
The dog
Read.
ran.
Ran. Next.
The dog ran. The dog ran away with the ball.
No, you did not read like. You have to read each line. The dog ran away with. Read. Fifth
The
line.
dog ran away with.
Next one.
The dog ran away
Ran
with.
away with. Away with the last sentence.
The dog ran with the ball.
Ran away.
Ran away with the ball.
Good. Now the next child, 3 children must read. If we finish reading, Fatima, please come soon. We got such a lot of work to do. Fatima, good Akshara. Fatima, do fast. Where is Fatima? She's children. We find it difficult to put marks for you all when you take leave like this. Next one, Joshika, Mary, read this. Each line, Joshika.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Joshika.
Please read each line.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
The dog ran. The dog ran away. The dog ran away with. The dog ran away with the dog ran away with the ball.
Very good. Now next one. Now this is for, I will just read. I can run fast. I can run fast, and you can just go through. I can run fast and jump. I can run, not ran. I can run fast and jump up. I can run fast and jump up high. Now I want Kanira to read this fast. Kanira, each line. Kanira. Some children are not there. Kailina.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read this. See, please read properly.
I can run fast.
No. There are 2 I can in 2 lines. I want you to sing.
I can run fast. I can run fast and jump. I can run fast and jump up. I can run fast and jump up high.
Very good. Very good. Next one, Mishti. Read fast, Mishti. Read fast.
I can run fast. I can run fast and I can run fast and jump. I can run fast and jump up. I can run fast and jump up high.
Very good. Now next one more child. Mitra, please read. Mitra, read. Mitra's not there. Now Samantha, sweetie, read fast. I have to go to the next one. Samantha, sweetie, please read. She also is not there. Shashwata, read. Shashwata.
Ma'am, I'm Shashwata.
Okay, Shashwata, please read.
I can run fast. I can run fast and I can run fast and jump. I can run fast and jump up. I can run fast and jump up high.
Very good. Very good. Now we'll go to the next one. Now see, look at the picture and frame a sentence about it. Now, I will ask Shamma, can you see the picture? Can you speak about this? Shamma, hurry up.
Yes, ma'am.
Please see the picture. What is it about?
This is a rainbow.
A picture of a rainbow. Okay, next one. Speak about it.
And it has colorful.
It has how many colors?
It has 7 colors.
Very good. Next. Can you tell me the colors from down? Yeah.
Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Very good. Anything else? When will you see the rainbow?
After rain, we will
After
see
rain
the
or
rainbow.
before? Yeah. After or before?
After.
When you will see. That's what. Let me ask somebody else. Now, next child, please, China, speak about the rainbow.
Ma'am, the rainbow has 7 colors, and after the rain starts, the color starts to glow.
Then tell me the colors.
There's purple, indigo,
from down, violet. From down,
violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Very good. Now listen. Next child, turn off your mic. Next picture, let us see. My God, this is a lion. So I just want others, you can get ready. Tanvi, please speak about this picture. First, you tell the name of it. Tell what all things you know about this animal. You tell me, please. Tanvi, I just told that Tanvi is not attending the class daily. Wait, I'll see to that later. Arush, just speak about this picture. Tell me what and which animal is this? Arush?
Yes, ma'am.
Please speak about this picture. Look at the picture, frame a sentence. 1 sentence or 2 sentences. No problem. You can just prepare 1 sentence. Tell me.
A lion is a wild animal.
Yeah. And something he holds, a lion holds something great. Something like king or queen and all that. Now, who's the king of the forest? Speak fast.
Lion is the king
Others, don't interrupt. Who's that coming in between? Who spoke? Is it Tanvi? Tanvi, when somebody is talking, you don't talk. Okay, wait. Who's that? I didn't know. Now Arush is speaking. It's a test. Oral test we are conducting. Other children, please turn off your mic. Okay, Arush, please tell. Lion
is the king of the jungle.
Very good. Now, I just want to know whether Tanvi is there. Tanvi. Tanvi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tanvi, don't come in between. Please speak about the next picture. Okay. Just look at the picture. Tell me how many children are there, how many girls, how many boys, what are they doing, all that. Speak about that picture, Tanvi. Where were you in the morning when I called your name? I told you. Yeah?
That's true, ma'am.
Yeah, I told you. Break time, you have to go. Okay, next time. Come on now, speak about this. Picture of what? How many children? Hurry up now. You cannot waste time.
There are 3 girls and 1 boy.
Yeah. It's a picture of then.
They are children.
What are they doing?
They are
watching something and enjoying. Yeah. Okay, they are watching something and enjoying. Okay, next picture. I want who's that child who did not sama. Mitra, are you there, Mitra? Fatima, are you there?
Ma'am.
Mitra, where were you, Mitra, when I called you in the morning? Mitra, speak about this picture.
There is one teddy bear.
Yeah.
Many toys.
Then, what are the other toys over there? There are some toys in this picture.
There are blocks.
Blocks, yes. Tall playing things. Some vehicles there. Very good. Very good, Mitra.
There's many ducks.
Okay, now Samantha. Samantha, are you there? Samantha, no. Samantha, are you there? No. Now, I want Alan to speak about this. Alan,
Yes, ma'am.
tell.
We can watch some movie in the television.
Very good. Then,
Television. There are four legs. There are four.
never mind about that. Now, what all things you can watch?
There is a screen on a television.
Okay, good, Alan. One sentence is enough, one or two. Okay, good. Next one, Akhil. Look at the picture, Akhil. Akhil.
Ma'am,
Yeah, please speak about this picture.
there are so many fruits, vegetables, and fruits.
Very good. Vegetables and fruits. And what all fruits you can just name, you tell me, and the vegetables. First you speak about the fruits. How can you just tell me some
There
names?
are orange and red apple and green apple
Plantains.
and banana.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Now what about the vegetables? Any vegetable you know about the picture? From the picture you just tell me. The vegetables.
Apple is so good for health.
Vegetable. Those are fruits. Now any vegetable can you identify here? Called
Brinjal is good for health. We can
okay.
eat.
Okay. Good, Akhil. You just speak about that. That's enough. Now I need Akhil and Samantha. Are you there? Samantha, Kanira, Fatima, Samantha, Kanira. They did not come on the screen. I just want to know where are they? Fatima, Kanira, Samantha. After that, they will tell I am there. Very bad. Akhilen, please come. Akhilen. Children, when you don't enter into the classroom, you won't get any internal marks. I just want you to speak about it. Akhilen, not there. Anandit, can you speak about this picture? First you speak, what are the things over there? Anandit, Archant. Who's this? Hurry up, children, don't waste time. Who's this? Anandit. Okay, Anandit or Archant? Speak about this picture. What are the things you can see? There are
vegetables and fruits.
Yeah, just tell me two names, two vegetables names, any two.
Brinjal and
Yeah. Enough. Right. Brinjal and
carrot.
Carrot. Where carrot? Yeah, good. Now tell me about some fruits, some fruits.
Apple and banana.
Very good. Now who's this, Anandit or Archant?
Anandit.
I want Archant to speak. Archant, please speak about the picture and tell me about all the vegetables names, some vegetables and fruits. Where is Archant? Hurry up. Please speak.
Carrot, brinjal.
Yeah. Tomatoes, come on. Cauliflower, cabbage, just tell all that. Broccoli, capsicum, yeah.
And mushroom.
Okay, 1 minute. Don't say and so many times. Towards the end, last only must tell. Now tell me about the fruits. Fruits. Name some fruits from the picture.
Apple, strawberries, oranges, bananas.
Very good. Now we'll go to the next one. Now everybody will get a chance. Ashwan, speak about this. Ashwan, hurry up. Just speak about this.
Ma'am?
Yeah, please tell. Just what all things you can tell about this picture, you tell me.
Read books. Good. Read books and
No. You just look at the picture. How many books are there? You tell me first. Tell. How many books are there? There are. Yeah.
6 books, ma'am. There are 6 books.
There. Now, just speak about book. What will you do with the books?
Read books. Read stories.
Very good. Very good, Ashwant. I read books and I read many stories. We get knowledge from that. Okay, now one more for Cyrus. Speak about these 2 sentences. Cyrus, just look at the picture and speak about it. All will be getting marks, or you must tell full sentence. Yeah. Speak, Cyrus. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, good. Cyrus, you have to check your system. Now I cannot see your picture, but let it be that audio is not very clear. Tell your parents. Okay, good, Cyrus. Okay, you must make it okay. Now I can see you. In between some problem. Okay, just see about the audio. Okay, Cyrus. Yes, ma'am. Okay, good. Okay, Cyrus. Thank you. Now next one. Now listen, this is for Kritik Pranav. Hurry up, Kritik.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Speak about this.
color pencils are used to color.
1 minute. You have to say in full sentence when you speak about something. First you tell what is this. Okay, what is this? You just speak about it. Okay, tell. Yeah.
Colored pencils are used to color.
This is a picture of color pencils. Say the first sentence. Come on, tell. It's a picture of color pencils.
There are different kinds of colors.
Very good. Next. And what do you use this for? One sentence is enough.
There are many colors.
Yeah. When do you use it? For what? We use
color pencils to color, ma'am.
Very good. Now next one. Listen now. I just want John Matthew to look at the picture. John Matthew. Find the odd one out. Find the odd one out. John, which is the odd one? Can you tell me? Yes? John, are you there?
One. Yes, ma'am.
Which one? 1, 2, 3, 4. First one. Which is the odd one?
First one.
Very good. Because sun. All other things, what you use during winter. Very good. Now that is done. Next one. Next child is Kevin. Kevin, please come fast. I have to complete with all the children. Which one does not belong? Kevin, tell me which one does not belong to the group. Which one?
One.
Very good. One. Good, Kevin. Others don't come in between. Now, Kevin, finish. Now, Kushagra, next picture is for you. Which image is not? Which is out of all the pictures? Which one? You tell me which row and tell me the number. Which picture is out?
Second row, ma'am.
Second row, which picture? Number? 1, 2, 3. Like that you count it. 1, 2, 3. Count the numbers. Second row you said. Then count and tell me which one is out. 1. Hurry up.
4, 5, 6.
No. Kushagra, which picture is out of order over here? You said second row. Tell me the number. Which number?
4.
Who's that? Is it Kushagra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Fourth one. Then we'll go to the next picture. Find the odd one in the group. This is for Lokesh. Are you there, Lokesh? Lokesh. First row, which is out. First row. See, this Lokesh is not answering. I won't be able to give any mark. Lokesh. Mithilesh. Mithilesh, are you there, Mithilesh? Naren. Next one, Prajan. Hurry up, Prajan. Find the odd one in the group. Oh, but he's there in class. Sachin. Sachin, please tell me on the first row which one is out. Odd one.
Ma'am, fourth one.
Very good. Fourth one. Now next one is
Second.
one minute. No, you don't say. You don't say, please. That's for somebody else. Please turn off your mic. Next picture, next child is Sanjay Krishna. Tell me the second one, which is the odd one in the group. Only when I ask you. Yes, Sanjay.
Fourth one, ma'am.
Sanjay, second row, which one? Second row. Pumpkin is there. Pumpkin.
Second pineapple.
Listen. Yeah, listen now. That's pumpkin. Now listen, children. You listen to the teacher. Don't tell the answer out. Sanjeevan. Good, good. Sanjeevan. Third row, which one is odd?
Fourth one, ma'am.
Very good. Only you have to tell me when I ask you. Okay, now next after Sanjeevan, Sanjit. See the tabs. Which one is the odd one over there in the group? Please find the third one. Very good. Now Sri Mukilan. Only Sri Mukilan come. I don't want the whole family to open the mic. Please, Sri Mukilan, tell me which one is out here in the group. Choose the odd one.
The first
Very
one.
good. First one. Very good. Next one, Tridet. Can you tell me odd one?
The third one is the odd one.
Very good. Third one is the odd one. Now, next is for Sai. Sorry, Sai Vasavi. Sai, others, please don't interfere. Sai Vasavi, can you spot the odd one out from the given figures? Odd one out. First figure, second, third, fourth. Sorry. What happened? 1 minute. Okay, tell me, Sai Vasavi. Hurry up.
Ma'am, the third picture, ma'am.
Good. All others are given red color and see third picture. Very good. Now next picture. 1 minute. Jeff, can you tell me Jeff?
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Jeff, you tell me which one?
The second one.
The second one. Very good. Next child is Niral. Very happy with Niral.
Yes,
One is
ma'am.
out. Tell me which row, which place. One picture is out in this.
Second
curtain.
row, ma'am.
Second row, tell me the number, position. Second, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that. You tell me the position of it.
Second row, ma'am, and the second row.
Very good, Niral. Very good. Now, very good. All are telling. Next one is Jane. Jane, please tell me which
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Tell me the odd one out. A, B, or C.
B, ma'am, because he's holding two bananas and each
Very
of them
good.
are having one banana.
And you have one. It's for you. One. Very good, Jane. Next one. Next one is for Rahil. Rahil, please come. Rahil.
Ma'am?
Now, 1 minute. First row, which one is out? First row, Rahil is very
Blue.
blue. You tell me first, second, or third?
First, ma'am.
No, Baba. First row, this is first, second, third. Position. Okay, good. Rahil, next row, which is out? Second row, which is out? Just have a look. Can't get? Ma'am will answer. What is this? What shape is this? Yes? Rashi,
Look at the circle, ma'am, that last one.
very good. Why? Why? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, why means that last one only is being a circle shape.
Yeah, that's square and all others are square. Sorry, last one is circle and the first one, all three squares. Now tell me, Rachel, only you are going to get all the three questions. Tell me third row.
Ma'am, the second one circle.
Why? Color.
The color was different.
Yes, and I just want to know whether Mithilesh, Lokesh, Naren, Prajan, are you there? Even Kanira, Fatima, Akhilan, all these children did not answer. Can you tell me, Kanira? Anybody? Fatima, Kanira, Akhilan? I'm going to stop it. Now, A, B, C. Yes, who's there?
Children. Joshika,
No. Joshika, Rahil, turn off your mic. Joshika, turn off, please. Now, A, B, C. I want, 1 minute. Not Kailina. I want Samantha. Samantha, are you there, Samantha? No. Samantha, Fatima, Akhilan. I'm giving them chance. They are not there. Okay, I just want Sai Vasavi, tell me. This is not test and all that. I'm just asking you. Which one is out? Hurry up. Sai, which one is out? A, B, C, A, B or C?
B, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Now see here. I want Jane to answer. Jane, which one is out? This is not for test. I'm just giving you a chance. Jane.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, tell me. Only the color of it. Which one is out?
It is the blue one. It's hiding.
Very good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much, children. Now, 1 minute. Now, 1 minute. Don't go. I'm going to call the names of the children, those who are there for today's special class, because we have